Class 7, exercise 18B, question number 5. The radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is 1/7 of its height. If the area of its curved surface is 176 square centimeter, find its volume. So area of curved surface of right circular cylinder A is equal to 176 centimeter square is given in the question. And according to the question, radius is 1/7 of height. So radius is 1/7 of its height. And as we know that area of curved surface is equals to 2 pi RH. So value of area is given in the question. So we have to equate 2 pi RH is equals to 176 centimeter square. 2 pi is equal to 22 over 7 multiplied by R is equals to 1 over 7th of height multiplied by height. The value of R and H is not given in the question. So first of all we have to find the numerical value of R and H. That is equal to 176 centimeter square. 2 into 22 is equals to 44 and 7 into 7 is equals to 49. Height multiplied by height square is equal to 176 centimeter square. 44 over 49 can be written as 49 over 44. H square is equals to 176 centimeter square multiplied by 49 over 44. On the table of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 4 are 16 and 4 4 are 16. 11 ones are 11, 11 4s are 44. 4 into 49 centimeter square, that is equals to 196 centimeter square. So A square is equals to 196 centimeter square. After finding their square root, we get the answer H is equals to 14 centimeter. And R is equals to 1 over 7th of height. So we put the value of H. H is equals to 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. R is equals to 2 centimeter. So we get the value of R and H in the numerical form. So we have to apply the formula of volume of right circular cylinder, that is equals to pi R square H. Pi is equal to 22 over 7 multiplied by R is equals to 2 centimeter square multiplied by H is equals to 14 centimeter. 22 over 7, after opening the square of 2 we get the answer 4 centimeter square and 14 centimeter. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So 22 multiplied by 4, that is equals to 88 centimeter square multiplied by 2 centimeter. 88 into 2, 176 centimeter square multiplied by centimeter, that is equal to centimeter cube. So 176 centimeter cube is the value of volume of right circular cylinder. Question number 6. 4 cylindrical pillars of a building area are to be painted if the diameter of each pillar is 1.4 meter and its height is 6 meter. Find the cost of painting the curved surfaces of all the pillars at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter. We have to paint the curved surface of all the pillars. So we have to find the total surface area of one pillar. So the surface area of each pillar will be equals to 2 pi RH. So we have to find the value of R. The value of diameter is given in the question. Diameter of each pillar D is equals to 1.4 meter. But we have to find the value of R for total surface area. So radius of each pillar is equals to half of the diameter. 1.4 meter over 2. We get the answer 0.7 meter. R is equals to 0.7 meter. Height of the pillar H is equals to given in the question 6 meter. And area of curved surface of one pillar is equals to 2 pi RH. 2 as it is, pi is equals to 22 over 7, R is equals to 0.7 meter and height is equals to 6 meter. So 2 into 22, 44 over 7 multiplied by 0.7 will be 7 over 10 meters multiplied by 6 meter. 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. 44 into 3 meter multiplied by meter square and 5 1 is 5. 44 into 3 will be answer 132 over 5 meter square, that is equal to 26.4 meter square. Now cost of painting one pillar is equal to rupees 10 is given the question multiplied by 26.4, that is equal to rupees 264. This is the cost of painting of one pillar, but we have to find the cost of painting of 4 pillars. So we simply multiply by 264 multiplied by with the total number of pillars 4, that is equal to rupees 1056 rupees.